So in my case, I would say I owe my first job offer to Craftshalla. So that's just amazing. Hi everyone, I'm Shreya Shukla. I'm a second year MBA student from FMS Delhi. I did my summer internship with Accenture Strategy and I joined the Craftshalla brand building program. Number one is that the videos that we see as a part of the program, they are very interactive. Whenever there's a concept which is shared, it's not just theoretical. There are a lot of examples are given in terms of ad campaigns, or you can discuss your doubts on the platform. You can discuss your doubts with the mentor. So we used to have these feedback sessions. All those things, that personal interaction, that really helps. And if I compare it to a traditional setup where, say, professors teach us, I believe that uh, these examples, etc., are something which Craftshalla does better, because in a video format, when you watch that ad campaign shared with a content piece, it really connects. And also, the other thing that I really liked was there are these interesting frameworks. So the brand opportunity framework is something which is really nice, and the concept is explained in such a nice way: visionary and party pooper, rope walker. These words actually tell you what exactly we're talking about. So the frameworks are also something which I think are new to me as compared to the traditional sort of courses that I might have done. Yeah. I was working with three other people on a project. We were given this brief that you need to do all the work by yourself, and then you discuss it with your teammates and come up with the best possible sort of solution for the tasks. So I think what surprised me was how all of us were very invested. We wanted to had different opinions on different things. We used to collaborate midweek, and we used to deliberate on how we should go ahead with a particular thing that I had never experienced in a project as such, because I had worked on individual projects before that, not much of a team based environment, and especially in the field of sales and marketing. So I learned a lot from them as well. Three of them had sales and marketing summer internships, and actually I was somebody who was learning from them, learning from the course. I think that was something which kept me going also, because it was a new thing for me and I really enjoyed it. I would say three concepts which I generally use. Number one was the brand opportunity framework. So I have applied it for my understanding to different problems. Say whether it is in a elective or any lecture that I'm a part of in my curriculum, as well as in some case competitions as well. So I apply that framework quite a lot because it's very important to understand whenever you are looking at a problem, understanding what category it belongs to and having that well defined category so that you can basically ascertain the brand opportunity. So that is something that I learned from that framework. And the other two concepts are communication challenge and insight. I would say both of these I'm saying together because they are linked. So all of those things I have used in my case competition. For the L'Oreal Sustainability Challenge, I was selected from my campus. There were two other members in my team, and one of them was actually my Craftshalla project teammate only. So they were ahead till the national finals. So in that, actually, we built a consumer decision making map sort of, and we used insights and all those concepts in that particular competition. There were different sorts of insights that we came across, and I think all the concepts that I was studying in Craftshalla definitely helped me in that competition. So I got the chance to interact with Mr. Chirag Desai, who is working with Unilever, and he's working in the beauty and personal care space in that company. And he joined as a management trainee in Unilever. So during my interaction, I I was always very apprehensive of the fact that I come from a consulting summer internship background, and will I ever get a chance? Will I ever get a shortlist for FMCGs, so to say? And will I get a chance in this particular field? And I had those doubts. I want to understand more about the industry as well. So I think that interaction was really nice. He told me about things like how the industry is transforming from the time he joined to now. And like now in the pandemic, he was talking about how there are different innovations and how there's so much consumer data that they're really looking forward to people who can analyze that data. So these were certain things he shared with me. He also addressed all my doubts, like it's okay if you have a consulting internship. I also had one, so just chill. So that was really required at that point of time because I was very stressed. And I was lucky enough to get my Nestle PPI from Kraftshala and convert it. So I think Kraftshala has helped me a lot in terms of the mentorship as well as a program. So after the industry creds assessment, there is a detailed feedback which is shared with us in terms of our CV, in terms of how our functional rounds were, how our interview was, and I think that was very detailed. The CV that I had shared with Kraftshala at that point of time, I think it did not really have sales and marketing sort of points. And the feedback that I got was that make it more in terms of, say, do some certifications or do some courses, do some projects, but make it more aligned towards marketing. And that is something which I kept in mind. I took up an internship in e-commerce after getting this feedback, and I got good shortlists also in my placement process. So the feedback has really helped me in terms of my CV. So in my case, I would say I owe my first job offer to Kraftshala. Kraftshala has been a boon for me. So I remember, like, I was very stressed. Initially, I just thought that, okay, this is just another PP. I'll go and see what happens. After that, I was very stressed. Like, I was like, whether I'll have my second round or not, when are they going to schedule it? And I had so many queries. I used to like bug people from the team, and they really supported me. They coordinated everything with Nestle, and I had my final round. I also converted it. A lot of my interview was on my Kraftshala Live project. It was on the Hershey's Kisses project that we did. So, and a lot of follow-up questions were also on that. So I think overall, Kraftshala has definitely helped me before the industry creds program as well as after that. Kraftshala is the best possible learning platform if you are interested in sales and marketing, because Kraftshala has one of the most amazing content videos. And the best part is that you're not just learning theoretical concepts, but you are applying it on a live project. And that is something which is probably the most comprehensive sort of course that I've ever come across. So that's why Kraftshala is probably the best platform for sales and marketing aspirants. And for sales and marketing internships, I would say definitely Kraftshala program will be definitely a plus for them. And also, I just feel that there are no certifications as such in the field of marketing. So the sooner the better, basically. If you learn it even by the ending of your first year or starting second year, it will help you in case competitions and otherwise in your academics as well. So the sooner the better. That's what I'd say.